how to put a video on your featured photos on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can put a video on your featured photos on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to put a video on your featured photos on Facebook, there are some things that first of all I want to clarify to you, and there are some things, essential things that you should understand. First, you can open up Facebook. You can go to your profile page, of course, and if you scroll down here you should be able to see your featured collection. Now, what is a featured collection? That we have to understand. Now, for example, think of Instagram and think of Instagram highlights. What are Instagram highlights? They are simply the highlights that you've added previously to your story, and if you wanted them to add to your highlight, you would be able to select the stories or the videos from your stories in the past and add them to your highlight. Similarly is also the featured collection. Your featured collection are simply those collections of the stories that you have already uploaded in the past. So for example, in this case, if you want to put a video on your featured photos on Facebook, you must first have uploaded that featured photos to your story before, and only then will you be able to add that story to your featured collection. Your featured collection is not a random set of photos that you choose from your gallery, but the photos or videos that you choose from your previous stories. So if I want to add a new featured collection, I can tap on the new option. Here you can actually see I can go ahead and select a camera roll and so on, and I can also actually go ahead and select my stories, but you can see there is no option to select a video. So if you want to select a video, you can see that's not the case. So first what we need to do is we need to have uploaded that story to our Facebook profile, and only then, if I select a certain featured photo here and then I just tap on add new, I will just tap on the add more option and I will select the stories that I have uploaded in the past, which could be a video or uploaded photos, something like that. And once I've done that, only then I will be able to add them to my featured collection. You cannot add the videos from your gallery. Of course you can add photos, but not the videos. As for videos, you must have uploaded that previously on your stories, and only then will you be able to put them back into your featured photos collection. So that's the thing I wanted to clarify you. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.